Here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to activate Talkback on this phone. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and click on accessibility. And here, if you'll go to vision, you will be able to notice Talkback. Just mark it, and to activate it, just mark the switcher. And here you can go with the whole tutorial. But let me close it. You need to tap on it once and then double tap to select. Tap on close. Because basically all you need to know is written here. Just let me volume up accessibility settings. And now let us listen to this about Talkback. Hello?
Media volume controls shown.
Okay.
Swipe up to dismiss. When Talkback is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. Talkback is intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. How to use Talkback: swipe right or left to move between items, double tap to activate an item, drag 2 fingers to scroll. How to turn off Talkback: volume keys, press and hold both volume keys for a few seconds. Settings: tap the Use Talkback switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap stop. Then double tap stop. Volume controls hidden.
So basically all you need to know is that you need to mark on some particular icon once, then you will be provided with spoken feedback, then select it by tapping twice, and then to scroll use your 2 fingers, just like this. And if you would like to close Talkback, if you'd like to turn it off, just mark it again, click twice to open, and then unmark the switcher, double tap, click on stop, and that's it. So that's how you can activate Talkback, how you can use it and then turn it off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.